Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Quetext. Now Quetext has many features: programming checking, AI detection, AI tutoring, citation generator, and so much more. But it is primarily known as a programming checker with some additional writing tools. Now for the pros, it has accurate programming detection, very accurate, user-friendly interface, detailed reports, citation assistance, and AI content detection. When it comes to the cons, it has limited free version, it has no mobile app so far, no integrated grammar checker, it can be slow with large documents, and it has its manual input primarily. While some reviews mention file upload, the primary function is also copy pasting text, which might be less convenient for checking multiple documents. So it can be used for students, for teachers, and for copywriters. So it's like an alternative to Grammarly, alternative to Turnitin. So that's what Quetext is all about. Hope you found the video helpful.